All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Pepe itself. So let's get right into it. Shout out to the Pepe community for showing tremendous amount of love. Cannot thank you guys enough. Continue supporting and you will see a continuation of these updates. So looking at the markets as we are going into Tuesday morning, you're seeing a little bit of red across the board as we can see. Just a few handful coins that are still up right now, but majority of the coins are seeing a little bit of a retracement. Pepe down about 6.6%. But let's take a closer look and see what we're looking at, and of course what is yet to come. If you enjoyed these updates, as you guys know, smash that like button. So looking at the price, once again we have 5 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 99.56, down 4% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative as well. Market cap is holding about $4 billion, to be exact, around 4.2 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at about 2.5 billion, which is absolutely insane to even think about. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the broader meme coin market, you're looking at majority of the coins, that are actually down. And of course, some people are going to come out and say, what about, some of these coins, Mega, as well as, some of these other coins that, are absolutely going crazy. Of course, a few handful of them are still, holding on to the momentum that they have gained. Look at this, guys. Trump coin absolutely sending right now. I think it has something to do with that Elon Musk, speech. But let's see what happens, of course. But some coins are up quite a bit, but at the same time, majority of the coins are still down. So the pretty much momentum is kind of flowing in the bigger boys. What I mean by the bigger boys, you can see pretty much the coins in the top 10 are all down right now. So if we're looking at the Bitcoin dominance, it has been picking up traction, approaching 58.15%. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is hovering around the $62,600 price point. Obviously, we did wake up to that $64,000 as stated in the last update. It never managed to stay above there. We know the importance of that zone. But since the past, I would say 2 to 3 hours, we have seen a little bit of a bounce within the price of Bitcoin, but it's extremely, extremely important. And I know I sound like a broken record when I say this. It's extremely important for the price of Bitcoin to go back above $64,000. But now, with that said, let's take a look at the holder count: 290,700 holders. So, a continuation of new holders coming in and joining, the Pepe army speaks for itself. And now, if you're looking at the price of Pepe, like I said earlier, again, shout out to the people that watch the channel on a regular basis. You're seeing a complete one-on-one copy trade, copy pattern, not copy trade, copy pattern playing out. What Bitcoin is doing, so is Pepe. This chart is so identical. If you look at it from the September 8th low, you could see that initial rally going up to that 1190. You can see for Bitcoin, initial rally going up to 66.3, retesting significant support and then bouncing back above. And you have seen exactly the same thing happening with Pepe. And, I've started to notice, and again, correct me if I'm wrong. At the end of the day, this is the discussion. Let me know if you guys see it some other way. But I see that, when the big coins, and when I say big coins, coins that are, above $1 billion market valuation, especially meme coins, they tend to be more, they tend to be more correlated to Bitcoin than some of the altcoins as well, like a non-meme coin category coin. So, that's a very interesting thing to think about. But of course, the futures trading platforms are massive. They bring a huge chunk of the volume to the crypto space, but I'm totally against it. If you are a viewer on my channel, you guys know I always have said from the beginning, stay away from leverage trading. No matter how much someone is hyping it up, you always want to stay away from leverage trading, because the swings that we see with Bitcoin can wipe your positions out in a snap. You could see, look at this wick down to $49,000. When we were sitting in the 23.6, your boy Crypto ZX talked about the potential of that, and literally you could go back and watch those videos. But imagine some people that were just mega bullish, that were longing around here, that just completely got wiped out. So this should be a continuous reminder to stay away from leverage trading. But so far so good. I'm liking what I'm seeing with Pepe. Obviously, it's really important to stay above that 0.00001 one mark because psychological price point. But of course, we cannot ignore what's happening with Bitcoin right now. But so far, so good. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.